Welcome to our in-depth comparison review between two top-notch TP-Link Wi-Fi routers, the Archer A6V3 and Archer 6V2. In this video, we'll dissect their wireless capabilities, security features, hardware specifications, and software functionalities to help you make an informed decision for your home network setup. 1. Wireless. Both routers adhere to Wi-Fi 5 standards, providing AC 1200 speeds across dual bands. The Archer A6V3 and Archer 6V3 and Archer 6V2 offer impressive 867 Mbps speeds on the 5G band and 300 Mbps. With 4 fixed high-performance antennas and beamforming technology, they ensure excellent coverage and signal strength for your devices. 2. Security. In terms of security, both routers offer robust protection with SPI firewall, access control, IPM binding, and application layer gateway. They also support guest networks and VPN server functionalities for secure remote access. While the Archer A6F3 supports PuTTY, WPA, and WPA3 encryption standards, the Archer 6V2 offers additional encryption options depending on the region. 3. Hardware. The Archer A6V3 is equipped with a dual-core QPU, while the Archer 6V2 features a Qualcomm QPU. Both routers offer 1 GB WAN port and 4 GB LAN ports, along with essential buttons for easy setup and management. The power specifications remain consistent for both routers, ensuring stable performance. 4. Software. In terms of software functionalities, both routers support EP4 and EP6 protocols, along with essential features like parental controls, WAN types, quality of service settings, and NAT forwarding options. They also offer management options through the Tether app and web interface, along with on-mesh support for creating a flexible network ecosystem. In conclusion, both the TP-Link Archer A6V3 and Archer 6V2 are reliable options for home networking, offering similar performance and features with minor differences in hardware specifications and encryption options. Depending on your specific needs and preferences, either router can provide seamless connectivity and security for your home network. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons. Stay tuned for our next video.